Lima kulindao COVID-19 boy.
Yo walal namerway bukmak tual ngara kamarang Dr. Jamie ngara kanina dial Galiwin'ku diang bala ka diang bala tual wang COVID mer ka ngara kanina diang bala marma balan da jama mer kung ka yun mer ka mandaya ko Andrea ka Eilish ma yo manda markap mer. Thank you for coming and talking with us today. Yo, Andrea, can you tell us about Yolngu, who you are and what's your role here?
Thank you, Jamie. Hi, I'm Andrea. I'm a nurse come to the Galiwin'ku Covid team, and I'm the clinical lead for this team.
Yo, ka Eilish, Yolngu ka nanong jama. What's your work with everyone out here?
My role is to help with the testing, so I'm going out in the cars and to specific houses, mostly focusing on the older people and the vulnerable people with medical conditions, and handing out the tests and explaining those ones through.
Magnak ka ngarado namalangang ton naweli morga nama tual Yolngu mutikay marchi nguna yellow giri ka mask mer ka ngulana tarwa giri people looking like aliens driving around sometimes in that night patrol car or in the bus nako walal ka marchi ka hello yun Yolngu wal why have we got those people going around what are they doing nako walal ka jama.
So those people, lovely people like Eilish, our first priority is to go to high vulnerable houses, so the ones with the young ones and the old ones or sick ones taking medicine. We're going to their house, offer the test for the COVID and making sure that the household is safe. Also, we are going to houses for anybody who is wanting a test. They let us know and we're going to the house, and we wear the funny clothing for protection of our staff, keep us safe also.
Yo, sana we walal ka jama, walal ka marchi, mutikay ka walal ka larom, ngorki Yolngu, ngula yol rierimer, ka worngo Yolngu, ka yutyo wala Yolngu yoto. Ka tao malkram, we yol COVID mer, mak testing jama, ka wurpon yan sam Yolngu, yan walal ka indijal testing go ka lemor ngule ka testing giri kama ka Yolngu to ka jama tiang bala magnak ka bala nyemere walloy walal ka wangalel marchi ka testing jama. What happens when they do the test and what happens to Yolngu after that?
So with the test itself, it takes 15 minutes and then we generally know what the answer is. So the 2 lines, it means it's a positive test. 1 line means it's a negative test. On the C line, that's a negative test. If there's vulnerable people in the house and there's positive cases in the house, then we want to work out whether it's safe for people to stay in the house, if they're able to isolate or not mix in the house itself as well. There's options as well for people to be transferred. So there's the hotel sometimes, maybe, as well as Howard Springs at Darwin, the CNR. That will be the best option for people, particularly if they're old or frail, taking medicines, to go so they get checked on by the nurses daily and they're close to the hospital as well if they need to.
Yo, magnak. So when the testing jama, no mamangi diang bala. So we wait 15 minutes ka bingo tao matram. Dani COVID mer o COVID merol. Dual COVID go yan. Yaka dual pregnancy test, yaka dual flu go, yaka ngay work radio yan COVID go dual test. Ka muli Yolngu COVID mer naputo tao mangi ko walalang we wan na man makwanga nito kanagtol ninan ka lemortutukar puma worngo Yolngu ka really mer Yolngu wan na man makwanga walalang na makwanga ngor wala to ninan kanagtol ninan o makwala to Howard Springs lil dawan lil marti pili makpai walal worongo ka ready mer Yolngu to yait very maram, and if they're in Darwin walal galki yindi boy white bill. Thank you Manda. Marka mer, thank you for coming and helping. Tial Galiwin'ku ka manmak na malang jama.
It's a pleasure.
Marka mer jujut na walal